Have you ever wondered what happens when a legend refuses to die? What if a fighter jet designed decades ago suddenly returned? Not as a memory, but as a menace. And what if that very jet is now rewriting the rules of modern air warfare? Hello and welcome to another episode of Advanced Tech World, where we uncover the untold truths behind the machines shaping our future. Today we're diving into one of the most mysterious revivals in military aviation history, the return of the F-16, reborn as the Block 70. Crafted by Lockheed Martin, the F-16 Block 70 is more than just an evolution. It's a transformation. Armed with the APG-83 AESA radar, it possesses the eyes of a fifth-generation fighter, offering unmatched detection range, electronic warfare capabilities, and multi-target tracking. Step into its digital cockpit, and you'll find a sleek center pedestal display, giving pilots real-time imagery, targeting data, and situational awareness at their fingertips. This isn't a retrofit, it's a battlefield computer in the sky. But here's the twist. This jet isn't just smarter, it's also safer. The Auto GCAS system, a technological marvel, has already saved multiple lives by automatically correcting fatal trajectories. Add a rugged airframe designed to fly over 12,000 hours, and you've got a war machine built for endurance and dominance. And the world is taking notice. From Slovakia and Bulgaria to Bahrain and Taiwan, nations are lining up to add this deadly bird to their arsenals. In a defense market obsessed with stealth and sixth-gen prototypes, the F-16 Block 70 makes one thing clear. Legends don't fade, they evolve. So next time you hear the whisper of a jet overhead, ask yourself, is it just another fighter? Or is it the ghost of the past, returned to conquer the future? The Phantom is reborn, and the equations of air power are changing.